Swift 9 Double M here. I finally got a hold of my best friend. He let me borrow his Ruger 5.7. So we're going to test it out on the mini freeze today. We're shooting Federal 40 grain full metal jacket bullets. And surprise, my grandson's back today, so he'll be running the camera for me. And last week I bought a Caldwell chronograph to do some testing on some test loads I made last week, and they're on my last video. And I got it set up at 20 foot, and all my videos I made I shoot from the same spot, so I'm 20 foot away from the mini fridge. And I got a piece of cardboard behind it, so if it does go through, hopefully we'll get a good shot through. Which I'm thinking it should, because these bullets travel 1,665 foot per second, so that's a pretty quick bullet. So let's see how it does. Okay, 794, 7,950 feet a second. No, it's supposed to be a 1.
Oh.
It'll be a 16. I couldn't even see that hole, boy. That are low. Bottom down there. Nah, it's dirt. It did not make it.
Dang.
What was that ragged? I don't know what big it was.
Put the bullseye on that one.
Oh, right side of the bullseye. Crystal clear. Crystal clear. We're going to try some of these blue tip bullets. We don't know what brand they are, but they look like different tips, so we're going to give them a try. Alright, now I'm going to let Buddy shoot these blue bullets, and we're going to see what happens. And we still have a clean piece of cardboard. So the mini fridge is still a success. And look at the chronograph. 78.50. I don't know what the deal is, but I know it said 50. 1,600. It couldn't have said 7,600. Man, good bullseye. 78.15. I'm going to pick either one of them up. No, they ain't picking none of them up. They're averaging 26,000 feet. Like what? 40 miles in a second. I don't think so. I have to do some research on that phonograph. Alright, that's 10 shots. That is 0 holes. So now we know it will withstand the Ruger 5.7. Alright, well, that's our testing with a 5.7, and nothing went through the mini fridge, so looks like we got another loser. Well, we'll keep on the search for another gun to borrow, so we can see if we can get something to go through this thing. But until then, God is good.
All the time.